Here's a conversation that demonstrates how to order a pizza from a restaurant.
Hello, I'd like to order a pizza, please.
Sure, this is Famous Pizza. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm really hungry. Can you tell me what kinds of pizzas you have?
Absolutely. We have several options. Our most popular ones are margarita, pepperoni, barbecue chicken, and veggie lovers.
That sounds great. I'd like to order a medium pepperoni pizza, please.
Sure, a medium pepperoni pizza. Would you like any extra toppings with that?
Yes. Can I add extra cheese and mushrooms?
Of course. So, a medium pepperoni pizza with extra cheese and mushrooms. Anything else?
Yes. Can I also get a small side of garlic bread?
Sure. Anything to drink?
Yes. I'll have a bottle of soda. Do you have Coke?
Yes, we do. Would you like a 1-liter bottle?
Yes, please. How much will that be?
Let me see. Your total is $18.5. Will you be paying with cash or card?
I'll pay with my card.
Great. Can I have your address for delivery, please?
Sure. It's 123 Elm Street, apartment 4B.
Got it. Your order should arrive in about 30 minutes. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Thank you for ordering from Famous Pizza. Have a great day.
Thanks. You too.
This conversation provides a clear example of how to order takeaway, covering all the necessary details.
Hi, I'd like to place an order for takeaway, please.
Hi, welcome to Famous Pizza. What would you like to order today?
I'd like to order a large veggie lovers pizza.
Great choice. Would you like any extra toppings on that?
No, the standard toppings are fine, but can you make it extra crispy?
Absolutely, we can do that. Anything else?
Yes. Can I also get an order of chicken wings?
Sure, we have mild, hot, and barbecue. Which flavor would you like?
I'll take the barbecue. Wings, please.
Got it. Would you like to add any sides or drinks to your order?
Yes, I'd like a side salad and a bottle of water.
Is there anything else you need?
No, that should be all. How much will it be?
Your total comes to $25.75. May I have your name for the order?
Sure, it's John.
Thanks, John. Your order will be ready for pickup in about 20 minutes.
Great, I'll be there soon. Thank you.
Thank you for choosing Famous Pizza. See you soon.
See you.
This conversation includes more detailed descriptions, making it ideal for learners looking to expand their vocabulary and conversational skills.
Good evening. I'd like to place a takeaway order, please.
Welcome to Famous Pizza. What can I get for you tonight?
I'm in the mood for something a bit special. Can you tell me about your gourmet pizza options?
Of course, our gourmet pizzas include the truffle mushroom. We also have the prosciutto and fig featuring prosciutto, fresh figs, and a balsamic glaze. Finally, the seafood delight has shrimp, scallops, and a garlic butter sauce.
Those all sound amazing. I think I'll go with the truffle mushroom pizza. Can I get that in a large size?
Absolutely. Would you like to add any extra toppings or customize it in any way?
No, that sounds perfect as it is. What size would you recommend to complement this pizza?
Our garlic knots are very popular and pair well with the truffle mushroom pizza that many customers enjoy.
I'll take an order of garlic knots, then. Also, can I get a mixed green salad with balsamic vinaigrette?
Certainly. Would you like any drinks with your order?
Yes, can I get a bottle of sparkling water, please?
Definitely.
How long will it take for the order to be ready?
Your order should be ready for pickup in about 25 minutes.
Great.
Your total comes to $32.50. Will you be paying when you pick up, or would you like to pay over the phone?
I'll pay when I pick up.
Great. Thank you.